everyone, my name is Ningtia Septiani. In this video, I present my project titled Part of Speech and Sentence Diagram. This topic is very important because it helps us understanding how sentences are built and however word plays a specific role in meaning. In learning English, we can separate grammar from the parts of speech. Each word in a sentence has its own function and understanding that help us English correctly. In this presentation, I'll explain the 8 parts of speech, sentence, structure, and how to diagram a sentence. There are 8 parts of speech in English: noun, pronoun, verb, adjectives, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and injunction. A noun names a personally place or thing like boy, book, or school. A pronoun replaces a noun like he, she, or they. A verb shows action, for example, read, play, or study. An adjective describes a noun like tall, big, or beautiful. An adjective modifies a verb like quickly, sanely, or well. A preposition shows the relationship between words, for example, in, on, are, under. A conjunction context word like and because or but. And an injection show emotional like wow or no. Let's take one example. The tall boy quickly read a book in the classroom. Here boy is noun, tall is adjective, read is verb, quickly is a verb, books is around as the object, and in the classroom is a preposition part. So, every single word has a clear grammatical role. Most English sentences follow the pattern SPOK, which standard for subject, predicate, subject, and category or complement. For example, the tall boy is reading a novel in the classroom. Subject, the tall boy, predicate is reading, object, a novel, complement in the classroom. This pattern helps us make sentences that are clear and grammatically correctly. Now, let's talk about the sentence diagram. It is visual way to show how words are connected in a sentence. In the diagram, the subject and predicate are placed on the main line, while adjective, adverb, and preposition parts and placed on version below. For example, in the tall boy is reading a novel, boy is connected with the and tall. Is reading connects to a novel. This helps us understanding sentence structure more clearly. Here are more examples. The teacher English Sarah will visit her grandmother after the final exam. The man in the black jacket helped the old woman. All of the sentences follow the SPOK structure and each word with its role based on the parts of speech. Learning part of speech and sentence diagram is very useful. It helps us understanding how sentences are formatted, improve our grammar and writing execute, and makes analysis sentence much easier. It's also helpful in transition teacher and even linguistic research. To conclusion, the parts of speech are the foundation of English grammar. Each word has its own role and function in a sentence. By learning sentence diagram, we can see how all the words are related, and that makes us better at forming and understanding English sentence. That's all my presentation about parts of speech, a sentence and diagram. Thank you watching, and I hope explanation help you understand and the topic more clearly. See you in the next presentation.